What is the role of Cafcass in public law proceedings? For most families, Cafcass becomes involved when the court receives an application from your local children's services. The court notifies Cafcass and a children's guardian is appointed. From the point of the first hearing, public law proceedings should conclude within 26 weeks. Public law proceedings should only continue after 26 weeks in exceptional cases. A children's guardian is an independent person who is there to advise the court about what is in the child's best interests in relation to the concerns and risks identified by children's services. The children's guardian will consider children's services concerns and give recommendations to the court about what they think is safe and in the child's best interests. The children's guardian will contact the children's services social worker working with the family, and the independent reviewing officer, IRO, who is appointed by the local authority. The IRO also oversees the care plan for your child and makes sure plans are in your child's best interests. The children's guardian usually contacts the adults who are important to your child before the first hearing to understand their views. The children's guardian will send a letter to your child to introduce themselves and to explain to your child what they can expect when they meet. The introduction letter will be tailored to your children's needs, and the children's guardian may need to discuss this with you. The children's guardian will usually meet with your child at a Cafcass office, where your child lives, or at school to get to know them. The children's guardian will spend time getting to know your child. This may include talking, playing with, or drawing with your child, depending on their age. The children's guardian will use the Cafcass assessment and child's plan. This provides a framework for our thinking and aids the children's guardian to better understand your child's experiences and what is important to them, what makes them special and unique, and how any concerns raised by children's services can be addressed to keep them safe. It also supports our planning of work to achieve a positive impact for your child. The children's guardian is independent from children's services. They will ensure your child is at the center of the thinking and planning of all professionals. The children's guardian will talk to you and your child about what they are recommending prior to sending their report to the court. The children's guardian will let the court know their recommendations. The court will make a decision and our involvement with your child will end. Your child will receive a goodbye letter from the children's guardian. Contact us to give us your feedback.